Alright, Nicholas, what color are we going to start with? A hot or a cool color?
I'm looking for the... Yeah! And these are too cool. Rainbow.
It does look like a rainbow, but remember, we want to see how many hot and cool colors we can get. So I think let's just pick one and start with it.
Hot. Oh, no, that's not hot. Now I need a hot.
Well, Nicholas, let's just go ahead and... What are the blue and the greens? Are they hot or are they cool? They're cold. So let's go ahead and put them on our cold side. So the first thing we were supposed to do was write hot or cold. Look up at the board. Do you see the one I have up on the board?
Oh, yeah.
Here, I'll help you.
Hot.
I'm going to write hot in a hot color. And I'm going to write cold in a
Is there a white? Pink is hot?
Yep. Alright, now I want you to go ahead and start marking. Put all your cold colors down here and all your hot colors up here.
Are you supposed to do cold?
Yep.
I'm supposed to do white. You don't. There.
That's a neutral. Yeah.
How about...
We're just kind of piling up. Remember, this is like a teeter-totter. We want as many hot as we have cold, so we want to go back and forth. Okay, what do you think it is, Nicholas? Look up at look up at the board up there.
It's tan. Hot.
What do you think? Look at our picture up there. Which color do you think that goes with?
Hot.
Yeah. Good job.
It goes with cold.
It does. Did you see it in the cold picture up there? Oh, I like the stripes that you're doing. All right. Gray is actually a neutral.
What is that?
Well, we just talked about the black being a neutral too. What did we say a neutral was? Ethan, you knew what a neutral was. Can you remind us of what it is? It can go in any of them, so we're just going to ignore it for right now. Or I guess you could put it in both.
I could do buddy.
Alright, Nicholas, you got it? So you're going to match your markers to the picture up
Is this
there.
one hot?
Yeah, do you see, which side do you see red on? Okay.
I don't want to do white.
Allie, I like that you're taking your time to make those nice circles. Don't forget, we can do crayon and marker. So see how many different colored crayons you can get. Oh, we need to sit in our seats. It's fine, just throw it away. Sit in your seat, raise your hand.
White?
Raise your hand, that is not white, sweetheart.
I found another hot.
How are we doing over here? Let me see it.
Good.
Good, awesome, good job.
They're all violet.
Cross it out. Here. Oh, it's a beautiful blue. I like it. Good job. It kind of matches Jenna's shirt. So don't forget, guys, that we can mix our crayons, too. Let me see how many you have, Gavin, on your cool. Cool. See how many different greens you can find, because I already see 3 different greens just looking at the box.
I just found one too.
How are we doing over here? You found a lot of really good, like, orangey reds. I like that those two are close, but they're a little different. It's kind of cool to see that some of us are doing circles, some of us are doing stripes. I have some of us just writing them out.
What is brown? Is peach a hot color or a cold color?
Which do you think that it looks like it would go best with? Which family up on the board?
Hot. What is brown? Hot.
Good job.
You don't use
Brown, Nicholas, brown is one of those ones like black and white that we're just, or not white, sorry, black and gray that we're just not going to use right now.
Cold.
Restroom?
Yeah.
Yeah, come on.
This
Just
is
take
a
the box.
different type of blue, so this is
No, see how many you can find in the crayon box.
this is a different type of blue, so can I use it?
Absolutely, Nicholas. That's what I was talking about. See how many different times you could. Hey, class.
Yes, yes.
Don't forget, don't just use marker. Use marker and crayon to see, because we can get a couple different kinds of certain colors. Like Seth has 3 or 4 really cool reds. All of them are a little bit different, but they're all kind of a red, which is that variety we talked about trying to find in our goal today. I'm going to give you about 4 more minutes to work on finding that variety of color. Joseph, scissors aren't what we need right now. We need to see how many we can get. That's that variety that we were talking about today. No, let's find some. Let me see how many. Where's your crayon box?
We don't have any. We don't have any crayons.
Did we look? Where?
I'm almost done.
That's really weird because the first grade class that was in here was using one. That's so weird. They don't have 2 over there though. They only have 1.
This is raspberry.
Raspberry. And what do you think raspberry is? Is it hot or is it full? This is the weirdest thing ever. No, those are colored
Can I use
pencils.
it after you?
I feel like I'm going crazy. Aha. Which do you think that it looks like it would go with when you look up at the family on the screen?
Cool
I don't know, try it on the back and see.
You have a cool tablet.
So if you think it's more purple, put it with the purple. Guys, I am so sorry. I didn't even realize you didn't have crayons. That's my fault. The last class that was in here had them, and they hid them on us. So let's see how many different kinds of like green maybe we could find, or how many different kinds of red. We've got a few more minutes. You guys did a really good job with just the markers, though. You have the tiniest little circles ever. You can take the pass. How many colors do we have over here, boys?
I got 5.
You got what?
I got 10 on raspberries.
Nicholas, look, so you have like 3 different kind of reddish colors. That's awesome. Very good job. Should we try to see if we can find a raspberry crayon?
Yeah, I found a raspberry marker.
You filled it up and it looks beautiful. Alright, let's see. Can you find me a light blue? A blue that is lighter than those in the crayon? Alright, Nicholas, let's look for a raspberry.
That hurt. What? I can see rain in there. Can you see me too? Mr. Can you see me in there? Can you see me in there?
Can I? No.
Can I see?
What are you supposed to be doing?
Oh,
Let's see this. See if that works. Here, I should have some crayon on there too.
Daddy, can you use this? I do. It looks like that. I don't want to. Can I use it when you're done?
Take about 2 more minutes to finish your exploration of our boxes.